everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Inimba from the 28th to the 26th of April 2026 on Monday. Intergenerational rift deepens as Lazarus and Nongceba turns on Mr. Ngcukana for the devastating secret he has harbored. Hlathi and Tumega clash over how to discipline Nyanga Mawe to celebrate a win, unaware of the tension still brewing beneath the surface on Tuesday. Nongceba is forced to confront a painful truth about her mother and herself with effect on her mental health and marriage. Hlathi's actions push his family to the brink, with consequences arriving at the doorstep. Lazarus makes a drastic decision that could change everything on Wednesday. Nongceba grapples with the possibility that her mother's illness may live in her. Nyanga's actions send a shockwave through her family, forcing everyone to confront uncomfortable truth. Mawethu's ambition begins to open new doors and new risks on Thursday. Zoleka manages to fix the issues in the Ngcukana family, but her power leads to hers and Nomfundiso's simmering tension exploding into a confrontation that cannot be undone. Nyanga faces the consequences of her actions as her world begins to close in. Sydney finds opportunity in the midst of chaos on Friday. A family celebration takes a dark turn when Nyanga's night spirals out of control. Lazarus draws a hard line that changes the course of the Ngcukana family forever. And what begins as freedom quickly becomes danger. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.